A good day to you. This is Rin, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So today on the weekly market analysis on Euro Dollar, we are looking out in the daily chart. The market have a very sharp bearish move. Alright, so there is this first break of the high, then there's a retracement back to the previous resistance, which now turns support. Head down to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, what we can see is a very bearish move. Alright, and of course there is a bullish shark pattern looking to complete at 1.1112 for a buying opportunity. Head down to 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we are looking at the currency looks like rock bottom, but if you look left, it was the previous long week over here, well supported. So for counter trend trader, or at least for me, for a buying opportunity, I'll wait for a double bottom before I engage the trade. That gives me more validation to this trade. That's all I have for you today. If you'd like to see the development of this trade, join us this Wednesday at 6:08 p.m. Singapore time, and we will be going on Facebook Live. Till then, remember always plan your trend, trade your plan, and I'll see you soon on the next video.